Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to look at the book recommendation for class 11 and 12 CBSE Commerce stream. Before moving on to any book, one is to start with the NCERT books. These are the ones prescribed by CBSE and it should be given utmost priority. If due to the lockdown situation, you're not able to get these books, you can go to Play Store and download the ePathshala app where these books are available. Or you can log on to the ePathshala website from where you can download these books onto your mobile phones or laptops. Moving to subject specific recommendations, for accounts, either DK Goyal or TS Grable will be sufficient. Both of them have exhaustive sums and it's just enough to work out all these sums thoroughly. If you're planning to get both of these books, then it will be recommended to do DK Goyal first and then move on to TS Grable. For business studies, after thoroughly finishing the NCERT book, one can go on to further enhance their knowledge by doing either CB Gupta or Poonam Gandhi. If you are specific about case studies practice, one can get the Alka Dhawan or Bullseye book where there are exhaustive number of case studies given for practice. If due to the lockdown situation you're not able to get these books, you can go on to this website called www.cbsesamplepapers.info where there are a lot of case studies available for free. Coming to economics, you can either get Sandeep Garg or T.R. Jain and Bohari. T.R. Jain is also the best book for statistics. If you are planning to get any other book, ensure that they have sufficient practical questions in them. During the exam time, say in the month of Jan-Feb, one is supposed to shift the focus to sample papers. This will be the collection of past year questions and model question papers for the upcoming exam. Some publishers and authors like Oswell, Exam Idea come out with these books. The CBSE also releases sample question papers for all the subjects before the exam. One can go on to the CBSE website called cbseacademic.nic.in and under the tab SQP, you will be able to find the sample question papers for all the previous years released by CBSE. Here are some general things to keep in mind. Always look out for the latest edition books because there are always amendments happening and the latest book will incorporate all these amendments. Next is buy sample papers only after you're done with learning the concepts. So first you're supposed to do your NCERT book, then you can use any other book which has been recommended above and only then move on to sample papers. Now don't try to buy all the books. I'm sure you're not going to have time to do all of them. So try to get one book and stick to it till the end. For other electives, you can ask your seniors as there are numerous electives to be discussed. So that's it guys. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.